Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Let's review. I'm trying to get my camera straight and it's just not working, is it? Alright, well, straight-ish, I guess. Alright, so this is going to be our July recap of everything that we have done. For all the layouts that I created using page kits, those will be separate layouts later on in August, because that's a whole separate series, right? So this one right here, all of these will have process videos for them. This was created for the Memory Makers design team. This one here was created for a 3/4 design team. That one was what? That's why I put that to the other side. This was my last layout for Trace Jolie design team. Things are falling all over the place. This is my second layout for Create That Studio design team. This is for the Memory Makers design team. Create That Studio design team, that's my first layout. 3/4 designs design team. This is for the members. This right here is for 3/4 designs. This is for 3/4 designs. I had to think about that one. This is for the Memory Makers design, and I did a freehand of that tree. Also for Memory Makers, using some fun mixed media. This is for Erica Rose design team, using the Erica Rose design team photo. Also for Erica Rose design teams. Spiegelmom Scraps design team. Trace Jolie design team. I believe this is Paw Your Way, the series. This is for Miranda Weber's virtual crop. This was the mixed media crop. 3/4 designs design team. Cut to You design team. 3/4 designs design team. Spiegelmom Scraps, I used the Roy G. Biv. Loving that. And then this one, this was a mixed media one that went on the members. So that's it, you guys. I did go to a crop, so I did get a whole bunch of layouts done there. So we will go over those later. But all in all, it wasn't too bad of a month. And I am seriously just focusing on design teams and the members of videos, which is why I may not always have one up for Mixed Media Mayhem, Paw Your Way, Off the Board, any of those that I created. I'm just, as you can see, on a few design teams, and want to make sure with everything going on in this busy, crazy, hectic life that I have a commitment to them, so I will get them done first, and then I will play with other things as need be. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a short and sweet video. I usually switch out my layouts, so I guess we'll see, but did anybody count to see how many of those were? So this is, one's over there, so whoa. Oh man. You know, when you bend your layouts, it doesn't always work very well. All right. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Giant shaker pocket there. 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, and 22. So not so bad. Plus I did a lot. We'll see later. I don't remember how many, but I know I did, I think, like another 15 at the crop. So, or maybe more. Alright, so really that's going to do it. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I will see you later with another video. Bye.